Equipped with excellent keen eyesight, this majestic bird of prey can spot their prey up to 3 miles away. Eagles, masters of the skies, and unique high-flying predators attack their prey without mercy. In this episode, we'll bring you the most amazing raptors in action. Make sure you don't go anywhere. Let's get started. Top 10 eagles hunt their prey without mercy. Number 10. Eagle attacks wolf. The eagle soared high above the mountains, its keen eyes scanning the terrain below for its next prey. Suddenly, it spotted a lone wolf.